Hi friends, today in this video, I will be making all-in-one LED driver circuit. First let's make this simple circuit with few components, and then I will show you how to make the same circuit, with adjustable voltage function. Take 1 mega ohms resistor, and solder between the capacitor pins. Take one N4007 diodes, and make the bridge rectifier. Use 22 UF capacitor, and solder over here. Take another 1 mega ohms resistor, and solder between this capacitor. Take 330 ohms resistors, and solder over here at input. And over here at output. Use 5 ohms NTC, and solder at input. Use alligator clip wires, and solder at output. And take AC plug, and solder at input. Now our circuit is ready to test. It is recommended to take precautions while handling this open circuit, whereas output is shock-free, but still I recommend from my end to handle this circuit with care. I used this 12-volt LED corbs for testing this circuit. And as you can see, it works perfectly. But, to drive these type of LED corbs for longer time, that usually is used in LED bulbs. I designed a new similar circuit diagram, but with the voltage limit and adjustment function, and converted it into the PCB. And the PCB is going to be look like this. You can download both circuit diagram and PCB files, link is in video description. In order to manufacture this PCB, go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. JLC PCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your Gerber file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. JLC PCB offers the 6-layer PCB in affordable prices and with attractive cost-effective discounts. A 6-layer PCB has additional 2 layers compared to the standard 4-layer PCB. The stacking technique reduces the electromagnetic interference and improves the performances of the electronics. Not only this, JLC PCB offers free wire-in pads to optimize routing efficiency, with cost-effective prices without compromising on quality, and delivers in fast turnaround time. Within some days I got my order from JLC PCB delivered. And the quality of the PCBs is amazing, and 5 pieces is for just $2. And now it is time to assemble the PCB. So, let's place all the components on the PCB according to the circuit diagram. And after spending some time with the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl alcohol. And here our PCB is looking nice and clean. Grab a little heatsink for efficient operation. Use thermal paste for better heat dissipation. Using the screw, secure the heatsink on the regulator IC. Now our circuit is fully ready. Use alligator clip wires. Connect in the output DC connector. Use this type AC plug. Connect in the input AC connector. I also 3D printed the potentiometer knob for easy voltage adjustments. Now let's connect this circuit in 220-volt AC outlet. I will use multimeter to track the output DC voltage. Output DC can be touched without any shock, but still precautions must be taken. You can adjust the potentiometer clockwise to adjust the voltage maximum to 30 volts. And voltage can be decreased to minimum 1 volt. For testing, let's adjust the voltage at 12 volts. I will use this 12-volt LED strips for testing. As you can see, it will work perfectly. You can adjust potentiometer to increase and decrease the brightness. Now let's adjust the voltage at 4 volts. Let's use this 4 volts LED strip. As you can see, it works perfectly without any flickering problems. You can also use the circuit as driver for these LED bulb corbs. To make the output auto volt for LED and diode testing, you can use 1 to 10 kilo ohms 1 watt resistor. Simply get the positive wire out from the connector, and install resistor instead. Use heat shrink tube, and solder the wire with resistor. With heat gun or lighter, shrunken the tube. Now let's plug the circuit in AC outlet. Connect the multimeter on output. Increase the voltage fully to 30 volts. Now you can test these small LEDs without fusing. This circuit will auto-adjust the voltage and will also show the forward voltage of each LED. You can also test SMD LED strip of any voltage, or any type LED bulbs to find the faulty one, so that it can be replaced easily. So, if you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.